Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender. Today we're going to be going over a graphic design software tool called Canva. But before we do, I just want to mention, guys, I'm still doing the $1 45-minute consulting calls. And also I have a mini course link for the video prior to this, so check that out if you're not up to date yet. But let's get right into it. So like I said before in a previous video, Canva is a graphic design tool that's really easy to use and one of my favorite things because it lets you be creative a little bit. You're going to be using this anywhere from editing your pictures so that you could put, some keywords in there that people may be looking for to convert a keyword better, or you can just be using it for marketing on Facebook or Pinterest or that kind of thing. So let's get right into it. So right here we're on the Canva homepage and we're just going to hit create a design. And like I said before, you have all these abilities to do a logo, do a Facebook post, anything, infographics, the whole 9 yards. As you guys can see, as I always like to do, I've already done a couple things already. The first thing I want to bring up is pictures. I like to put words in there as you can see, everyday stress down here. Let's say if I'm trying to rank for a keyword like stress relief toy, when people look up that keyword and click on that keyword and they go to my photos and I have the word stress in there, I might be able to convert on that keyword better and it might help you rank for a keyword. So this is why I like to use this sometimes. This isn't the best example just because I kind of threw this together last minute and I kind of just took a quick picture of the product, our magnetic cubes and magnetic balls. But you guys can get what I'm getting to on this. It's very simple and it's a good way to possibly convert keywords through your pictures. Okay, the next thing up is, this is actually a Pinterest post. And I went to templates and hit Pinterest post and it came up with this page, and I kind of just scrolled down till I saw a format that kind of fit my product a little bit. This one was a little hard for the fidget magnet toys, but you guys can create an article or something and put your product in there and do a two-step URL to get the customer from the Pinterest post to Amazon.com to purchase your good and help you rank for keywords. So as you can see here, it's a very powerful tool. And guys, it's free to sign up. There is a pro version, and occasionally you might have to buy an infographic or not an infographic. Occasionally you might have to buy a graphic every once in a while for like $1 or $2, but you really don't need the pro version when you're first starting out on this. The next thing up is I'm just showing you guys a simple logo I put together for our little fidget magnet toys. So as you can see, it's very easy, guys. You just choose a template and type in what you need and get it done. So that's just 3 things you guys can use Canva for. It's great for marketing, great for editing pictures, all the above. It's going to help you out with your FBA product. So that's going to end the video today, guys. Just a reminder, any information you guys need is in the description below, from promo codes for Helium 10 to my powerful Google Sheet that's going to help to see if your product's profitable or not. Just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you guys, and get ready for another video tomorrow. Take care and have a good day.